In this video we will learn how to create bank account and mode of payment in ERPNext. First, let's create a bank in ERPNext. Go to the bank list. Then, click on Add Bank. Enter the bank name, SWIFT number, and bank website. Then, click on Save. You can also add the bank address and contact information here. Now that we have created a bank, let's move on to creating a bank account. Go to the bank account list and click on Add Bank Account. Enter the bank account name. Then, select the bank, account type, and sub-account type. If it is the default bank account for all transactions, you can set it as default. If it is a company bank account, check the company account checkbox. When you check this box, two fields are populated: company account name and company. Select the company account and company. If it is not a company bank account, you can link it with a customer, supplier, or employee. Select the party type and select the party to link the bank account. In the account details section, enter the details like IBN, branch code, and bank account number. Click on Save. Now, let's create a mode of payment. Go to the mode of payment list. Then, click on Add Mode of Payment and select the type. In the Accounts section, select the company for which the mode of payment is used and select the account. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.